Hello students, today we are going to cover maximum height and horizontal range as we have already discussed in meeting about it. See, you already know about the ux and uy. Ux is what? Horizontal component and uy is vertical component. We have considered ux is a u cos theta and uy is u sin theta. So you will observe here it is a maximum height that I have represented by the symbol capital H. So we have to find out the formula for capital H, that is nothing but maximum height. For that I am using the third kinematical equation, that is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So here we can write this equation in terms of y. So this equation will become vy square minus uy square is equals to 2ays. So here we have to put Vy is equals to 0. Velocity along y-axis, that is the final velocity, it is what? 0. You will observe here final velocity it is 0. Uy, we already consider the vertical component, as you know, that is u sin theta. I will put u sin theta. Ay is equals to minus g, that we already learned in equation of path of projectile. We have to put ax is 0 and here ay is minus g because it is in downward direction. Instead of s we have to put h. So we will put all these equations in equation number 1. So see what it will become. See, vy square means what? 0 square minus uy is what? U sin theta, u square sin square theta is equals to 2, as it is. Ay is what? Minus g, and instead of s we are putting capital H. So what is this becoming? Minus u square sin square theta is equals to minus 2gh. Minus minus it is getting cancelled from the both sides. We will get here u square sin square theta is equals to 2gh, and we can write the equation for h with the help of it. H is equals to, what is this? 2g will go to this side, so u square sin square theta upon 2g, and this is our equation for a maximum height. Here this equation is known as maximum height. You will observe here the maximum height, it is along y-axis and we have represented by the capital H, and we have got the formula of it. H is equals to u square sin square theta upon 2g. Now let us try to understand about the horizontal range. Try to understand the figure of it. See the same figure. Here we have to consider the vertical component and horizontal component. X-axis, y-axis, you know that about ux and uy. This path we have to consider, it is an angle theta. So here this is known as range. This distance it is known as horizontal range. The word horizontal means what? It is along the x-axis. So we have to find out the formula for capital R. For that same we are considering the second kinematical equation, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square. We can write this equation in terms of x. So we will put here s is equals to x, and it is nothing but I am considering r. Instead of u you can put ux, that is u cos theta. You know that it is horizontal component. Instead of a you can put ax, and you know that ax is what? 0. So we will put all these values in equation number 1. So see what happened here. Instead of s we are putting r. R is equals to u is what here? That is we have to consider ux, u cos theta into t plus half. A is what? Ax, that is nothing but 0, and t square as it is. So this term 0 into t square into half, this will be 0 here. So what is only remaining? R is equals to u cos theta into t. So here we have to put the value of t. In time of flight we have discussed the value of t. We have got it is t is equals to 2u sin theta upon g. We will put this value of t in this equation. Okay, so if we will put it, what is we are getting? R is equals to u cos theta into the value of t is 2u sin theta upon g. So u into u square, so we will get R is equals to u square. This is, we can write 2 sin theta into cos theta upon g. So you can put 2 sin theta into cos theta, it is nothing but sin 2 theta. So I will put this formula, and with the help of this we will write the equation for R. So this R is nothing but u square sin 2 theta upon g. See here, we have used the formula 2 sin theta into cos theta, it is nothing but sin 2 theta. So we have got the formula for R, that is R is nothing but u square sin 2 theta upon g. So this is the formula for R. And if you want a maximum range, you can put the value of theta is 45 degree. So 45 into 2 is what? 90 degree. Sin 90 is 1. So we can write the equation for a maximum range also. So sin 90 it is 1. So what is the remaining? U square upon g. So you can write the equation for R max also, that is u square upon g. Rm, it is equals to what? U square upon g. For that we have to put theta is what? 45 degree. So here R is equals to u square sin 2 theta upon g. This formula we have got. And if you want a maximum range, you have to put the value of theta is 45 degree. We will get a maximum range, that is Rm is equals to u square upon g. So this is about the horizontal range. So we have covered the maximum height and horizontal range. Thank you.